In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete notifications on Amazon app. Even though Amazon does not let you remove individual items from its in-app notification history, you can still clean up what you see on your device and reduce what shows up in the future. On iPhone, start by clearing existing Amazon alerts from your notification center. Swipe down from the top left corner of your screen to open Notification Center. You should now see a list of recent alerts grouped by app, including any Amazon notifications waiting there. Once you see an Amazon notification in that list, swipe left on one of those Amazon alerts. A small set of options appears on the right side of that notification. This change only affects what is visible on your device. The order details inside Amazon remain available in the app. Now tap Clear or Clear All to remove it from Notification Center. Clear removes just that single notification, while Clear All removes the whole group for Amazon. Right away, those cleared alerts disappear from Notification Center, so the list looks cleaner. Next up, open the Amazon Shopping app so we can control what notifications you get in the first place. When the app opens, you should land on the usual home view with the search bar at the top and navigation icons along the bottom. If it opens somewhere else, do not worry. The icons we need still appear at the bottom. From there, tap the profile icon, the one that looks like a little person, in the bottom navigation bar. The screen switches to your account view with options related to your orders, your account settings, and your browsing activity. At this point, you are working inside Amazon itself, not the phone settings. Now tap the settings icon, which looks like a small gear, usually in the top right corner of the profile page. When you tap it, a settings menu opens, showing different controls for your app experience. You should see options including notifications, permissions, and other app preferences. Next, tap Notifications. This takes you to a list of different Amazon notification categories. Each category has its own switch, so you can fine-tune what Amazon is allowed to send you on this device. Here, turn off categories you do not want, such as deals and recommendations, shopping recommendations, personalized notifications, and other promotional alerts. When you toggle a category off, that type of message stops going out from Amazon to this device, usually within a short time. A helpful tip: if you later miss a type of message, you can come back to this same screen and turn that category back on. You can leave orders and shipping enabled if you still want delivery and order updates. That way, you still see the useful notifications that track your packages while cutting down on advertising-style alerts. If you prefer to block every Amazon alert on this iPhone, open the Settings app, then go to Notifications. In the list of apps, tap Amazon. You will see the notification-style screen showing how and where alerts can appear for Amazon. Finally, turn off Allow Notifications. When that main switch is off, Amazon notifications no longer appear on your lock screen, banners, or notification center on this device. You have now cleared existing Amazon alerts on your iPhone and customized or fully disabled new Amazon notifications. If this helped tidy your Amazon notifications, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple app guides.